making English conversations smoother with hedging expressions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will delve into a fascinating part of the English language that can make your conversation sound more native and polite. This is about hedging expressions. So, what are hedging expressions? They are phrases or words that we use to make our language less direct and more polite, to show uncertainty, or to lessen the impact of what we say. This becomes especially handy when expressing likes and dislikes. First, let's better understand what hedging is. In everyday English conversation, we use hedging expressions to be more polite and diplomatic. They give us a way to express our opinions, preferences, or criticisms in a less blunt or confrontational manner. A couple of examples of hedging expressions include phrases like, I kind of think, it seems like, or, I might be wrong, but. By using these expressions, we can convey our thoughts and feelings without sounding too harsh or absolute. Now, let's apply hedging to expressing likes and dislikes. For instance, instead of saying, I don't like this food, which can come across as blunt or rude, you could say, I'm not a huge fan of this food, or, this food isn't really my favorite. On the other hand, when expressing likes, instead of saying, I like this movie, you can say, I kind of like this movie, or, it seems like a good movie. These expressions show that you're open to other perspectives and considerate of others' feelings. To help you get more comfortable with using hedging expressions, let's go through some commonly used ones. 1. I suppose. 2. I guess. 3. I might be wrong, but. 4. In my humble opinion. 5. As far as I know. Try practicing these expressions in your daily conversations and see how it changes the tone and flow of the dialogues. Hedging expressions are a subtle but powerful part of the English language that can make your conversations more tactful and polite. The more you practice using these expressions, the more natural your spoken English will become. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to practice these phrases, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.